Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to change the font of your Facebook post text. Okay, first things first, what you want to do to proceed is to open up your Facebook app. Now that you are in Facebook, head to create a post by pressing what's on your mind. Once you have done that, you can see that there is a selection of things that you can post below. But what you only have to do is to type in what you want to post. So now what you want to do is to copy what you type in. And then head on to Google or Safari and search for LingoJam. Basically, this site transforms your text into random fonts. So paste your post in this site and it will automatically transform your text to a different level of post. Just copy anything you like and you can now go ahead and replace your draft post with the one with the fancy font. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now change the font of your Facebook post text. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.